طب اذا تنقيلها في ضفرانها باش غادا دير لها شو اسمه اكستنشن
جيل اكستنشن.
جيل
سوفت جيل.
extension.
سوفت جيل.
سوفت جيل شو
سوفت جيل.
سوفت جيل
ايوه.
تتنقي لها اظافيرها وتبردهم عاد دير لها
Di wag kang mga ano,
ما شاء الله
tiki.
عليها شاطرة هذه جينيس الأظافر.
بعدين تساوي على يوتيوب.
هذا جينيس تنظيف صح؟
ها؟
تنظيف؟ ايش هذا؟ ها؟
Lisa, ya Aisha.
عشان بحطه في دابا تركب ليها في الضفران.
Sandali lang to, sandali lang.
دابا المرحلة ديال التركاب.
Nadamihan na yung glue.
مانا
هو ما بيساوي هذا ساوي. هي ما بيساوي كامل معلوم.
900 jeep in.
Yan ang ayaw na ayaw kong gulay. Si ate naman yun ang paborito. Lace. Ito. Kaya ka na yung maliliit ko dyan.
Bayab.
What is the step?
Yes, how can I put it?
Paano mo
Base coat. Top
Paano
coat.
mo daw ilalagay yan?
First, we put thin layer
Thin layer, yan.
first.
Tapos saka mo siya kakapalan.
We put thin layer. Okay.
Close na.
We let it dry, and after we put the second layer and we boil it.
Oh, lagay mo.
Ganyan. Ikot-ikot mo. Ganyan.
No.
Ganun yun mo.
Remove. Clean.
Pahinga ko nung maliit dyan.
Gel here in the middle of the finger.
Hanggang umulhok
Okay.
siya.
I put like this.
Siya ba yung nag-ano ninyo?
Because I want to see the color, the right color for this is because we're gonna do it with the brush liner here.
Okay.
Yes. After I finished, so I close
Ayun.
with the brush liner. So I make sure here. You see. Don't move your hand. I close here. And after I take the finger here and I see if I have like waves, bubbles. Yes. I make sure. Have the. You can use this one. This is for the color gel. Where's the base? This is the base coat. Okay.
Siya na.
Base coat.
And I'm gonna put like this.
Maliit kasi ng kuko eh.
No, I said when we put cut, we don't put thin layer. We put
More.
more. Yes.
Like this.
Yes. Mm-hmm. Now take this one.
This.
You put it like this.
Then,
That it will be straight.
diba?
Put it like this. It will be like yes, like this here.
Diba?
Okay. Yes. Now
Then,
put here soft gel.
so, what I put,
So
this,
first we choose the right size for her finger. We don't choose it big. We don't choose it small. Correctly. Which one is Jacob? This number. This is first choosing.
Hadi.
Yeah. What makes you that this is the right finger?
It's number 3.
I'm not talking about number. Maybe
What?
this is number 4. Who said that this is number 3?
Hanap ko
When
yan.
you see, when you put the tip, how can I know?
Yeah.
Okay, let me choose this one. If I choose this one, it's big. Why?
Yeah.
You see this from the side?
Yeah. Of big
Okay.
size.
I choose this one. This is 9. Look,
9.
it's too small.
Yeah.
You say that which?
Number 3.
This is number 5.
No.
So this is the correct number. Why? Look. First. And I put here. Shway, not too much, huh? Put. Not
Lagyan mo
shwish.
ng ano.
Shwish.
Lagyan mo lahat. Tsaka ka mag-iwan.
Wait.
Like this? Too much.
If you do this one, and it's and then
Ano mo na itututok?
Ano muna, sukat mo muna.
So,
yes, yes,
Baba.
Here.
Ano pa?
yes, very
Baba
soon.
ba yan?
like this.
Okay.
No, hindi.
No,
baba,
wait,
baba,
wait.
meron pa.
Where is this?
Push mo pa, push.
Push.
Tingnan mo yung, tingnan mo yung,
Stop, 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 stop.
tingnan mo yung glue na
Yan na.
tumatakbo dun
Din,
sa ano.
tinag-inan mo kasi nilapit mo ron eh.
Because you see like this,
Ayun,
you put like this and near to the knot. Okay.
Ilay, taas mo muna may yung UV. Oh, nice. But this is 1 week more.
This is soft gel,
Yeah,
right?
soft gel.
Why you choose this hand?
No, because
It's same.
Hindi pa
Sometimes
tapos.
you find the right is bigger.
Different size.
Yes. Then the left.
Dikit na to, Pen.
It's too big.
Hindi
this
mo na
one.
naman ito.
big.
Hindi ko man to dinisip.
At the different the color.
Bayab.
Sa?
Yes.
The different color.
Bayag.
Ano
Yeah,
ba
like
yan?
Kala.
After you will do this. You will
Habibti,
do
when put this one for the biyag, so it's okay. We will put the gel color, right?
Any color.
use.
Because I always use like this.
Okay. For to use bayab with color, you use. Where is the clear?
Yeah, the clear one. The
Soft
Scott.
gel clear. Because transparent. Without color, I use this, and after I use color, gel color.
so you
So
mean
yeah, we call it gel on off. That means gel color. Soak off gel, it means bayab, overlay, builder gel, butter gel.
but you will use also the nail for the
Wait.
nail, huh?
Right, step by step. This is for bayab. If she want to do bayab natural, so she choose which one of these colors. Gel color, but his color, ballerina, rose, milky, she would choose. I want to make bayab like this, soft color. I want it natural, without any color like red, maybe coral, maybe black. I don't know.
If you want color, this one.
This one.
Clear.
Okay. Gel. We don't put the tips on the nail with glue. This is the glue. we put clear, and after we put the tips and tack here in the lamp, and after we put it here to dry more. Okay?
So it's okay if I have another the glue.
No.
Lasing toya to toya?
Yes, we have soya, soft gel.
okay,
So
okay.
this is soya. It's like a rule. We don't break this rule.
Okay, okay,
Soya,
okay.
she have a rule in gel color. She have a rule in bayab. She have a color rule in acrylic gel. She have. So how can I put soya tips and I put a color from
Another brand, yeah,
another
another
brand
brand.
and I put glue
So
No.
So we use this as glue.
as a glue in soft
Okay.
gel.
Okay.
You understand?